It's mine, whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire. My rock maybe flip. It's season, you never trip. Get them early, you never miss. No bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now, before we get into the full video and what we're here to talk about, if that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. We're on the road to 3,000 subscribers on the channel. At 3,000 subscribers, we're going to do a big giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure that notification bell is hit. And on your way in, man, just hit the thumbs up button, man, if you appreciate the content. I appreciate you guys. Now, what I want to talk about a little bit is this t-shirt right here. What the hell is this? Is that Robbie? What's up, Robbie? Yeah. You busy? Yeah, man. I was in the middle of shooting a video. Forget that video. Come out. I gotta show you something. Come on out. It's cold, man. What do you? All right. Give me a second. Let me put my sneakers on. What's up, Robbie? Well, like, why are you here? It is cold out here. So this is what I brought you. I came over here for. You know what I'm saying? I went to that website you was telling me about. I didn't tell you that. I seen it on your on your Instagram. Don't matter. Either way. How your boy look? Let me walk away. Let me get the full effect. Oh, this dude want to beat me so bad. Birdman hands. Captain Morgan. You feel me? How I look? You look like a damn fool. I mean, the shirt is fire. The outfit is fire. But that was supposed to be that's my swag. Why are you trying to? Alright, y'all, man. All jokes aside, man. Special shout out to my boy Rep Milwaukee 414. Special shout out to everybody over there at Sneakerhead Clothing Line. If you guys are interested at all in purchasing one of the t-shirts, there's a bunch of different t-shirts over there. Go to the website. I'll put the link to the website down in the description box below. I'll put the link to his YouTube channel down below, his IG down below. Everything will be in the description box down below, man. I appreciate y'all rocking with the channel. Once again, shout out to my boy Rep, man. I love the shirts, and I will be doing further business in the future. I'm gonna get out of here, man. It is brick out here. Over.